The bird is having sex with my hand. Oh my god. Ew. And it's like already started, so I can't exactly... Oh, he gets pissed when I try to like get him off of me. So I have to sit here and just let him do it. I can't. I'm videoing it. I'm going to put it on YouTube. He has his wing all up and weird. Oh my god. Oh jeez. By the way, I in no way, shape, or form enjoy this. He usually does this to my dad, not me. I just got stuck because he bit the shit out of me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, what? It's gonna cause friction. Ew. Okay.